Good afternoon, friends. So, here we continue with the next part of practical geometry, that is, construction of quadrilateral. But before that, let us revise how we constructed angles yesterday. So, in the angle construction, two basic angles we have checked, one is 60 degree and 90 degree. So, looking at the angle itself, you can easily understand, 60 degree and 120 degree. Looking at the angle itself, you can easily understand how to construct it. Now, what I have done in this particular sheet, that what you have bisected or that angle lies between the two angles, those two angles are written here. So this will help you in bisecting the angles and to get the angle. So 90, I have to bisect 60 and 20. Okay, so wherever there is a 60, from there I will bisect, and from where there is a 120, from there I will bisect. So this two particular sector, this particular arc, if I bisect, I am going to get 90 degree. So 90 is in between 60 and 120. Similarly, if I want 30, I will bisect 0 and 60 degree. Okay, it's very clear. If I want 45, I will bisect 0 and 90. Construction 90 with dotted line compulsory. Similarly, if I want 75, I will bisect 60 and 90. And if I want 105, I will bisect 90 and 120. So this is the way how I can easily construct all type of angles on one go, in one go. But don't you think, or rather, do you think it is the only, these are the only angles which you can construct without using protractor? No. In fact, there are other angles as well. Those you may construct without using these. Those are 135, 150 and all. But yes. Truly speaking, right now you don't need that. In case in the exercise, if you get those angles, there I will surely teach you. Okay. So let's continue now. So this time what we have to construct is nothing but construction of quadrilateral. In your last grades, you must have already constructed the triangles. So I will start with the triangles. So imagine if I have to construct triangle ABC with three values given, three sides given, like AB is equals to 5, BC is equals to 3.7, and AC is equals to 6 centimeter. Then I can easily construct this triangle. How do I construct this triangle, or how do I have to construct this triangle? Simple and easy. First of all, draw a rough diagram. It is compulsory to draw a rough diagram. Remember this. So first of all, draw a rough diagram. A rough diagram should be constructed without using pencil. Without using scale. Okay, don't use scale, don't use ruler. You can directly with a rough hand you can construct this triangle. Then I have to name it. How can I name this triangle? I can name this triangle by given value, any given side as down in the bottom. That means now AB is given, so I can take that AB at the as a base, and any the remaining side or remaining vertex as a C there up. I will put the values in the rough diagram. So it is 5, BC is 3.7, and AC is 6. Okay, and now I'll start construction. How do I have to construct? तो करना क्या है, कुछ नहीं करना. सबसे पहले AB draw करो, which is 5 centimeter. Mention AB here. Mention 5 centimeter. Then I have to locate this C point here somewhere above the AB. So if I have to locate the C point above the AB, then what exactly I have to do? I have to keep my compass at point A, take distance of 6 centimeter in the compass, take distance of 6 centimeter in the compass, and draw a normal arc. Right? Now I have to keep my compass on B, taking distance 3.7 in that. I have to cut this previous arc. If these arcs are not able to cut, you can increase or extend it, right? And where the arc cut, that is my C point, and I will join these lines to get the triangle, the required triangle. Is this clear? So this is a very simple idea we are going to use to complete your first, that is quadrilateral as well, when four sides and one diagonal is given. Okay, so I'll help you understanding that, okay, how this particular construction of triangle is related to our first topic, that first type of the construction when four diagonals and 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. So here is that triangle, quadrilateral. Imagine here is ABCD, and 1 diagonal I'll just join. This is a simple quadrilateral. Just imagine for a while. Okay, AC is equals to maybe 7 centimeter or 6 centimeter. I'll take it just smaller. AD is 4, DC is 3, AB is 5, and BC is 5.5, something like that. Now imagine if this I have to construct, this particular quadrilateral I have to construct. So it's very clear that okay, it is divided into two triangles. One is, isn't it? This is one triangle which is colored yellow, and here is the second triangle which is colored green. So it's very clear, of these two triangles, all the three sides are given, and the same thing like a triangle I have to construct. So what I have to do basically, I have to construct only two triangles. That's it. If I construct two triangles, then my task is done of the quadrilateral. So let's understand how can I do that. So first of all, draw AB. I can draw it on the sketch pad as well, but I think it is wasting a lot of time, so I'm not drawing it on. If you are not understanding or if you are confused, then let me know. I will teach you on this sketch pad. Anyway, so first of all, AB. This I will change. I'll first of all construct AB, which is 5 centimeter. This is my rough diagram. Okay, so when I look at the rough diagram, it's very clear I have to locate C point now. Okay, forget about the green wala triangle. I'm just looking at the yellow wala triangle, right? So forget about that D and all point. I'm just going to work on what? I'm just going to work on C point. So I can get the C point by taking 6 centimeter distance in the compass and putting it on A and drawing the arc, suitable arc. Now similar way, I have to put the compass on B, take the distance as 5.5 and cut the previous arc. If the arc is not able to cut, in case, then you all have to increase any one of it, any one arc of it. Clear? So now what I am going to do, this is my C point, I'll just join it. So I got my yellow color triangle. Now let's focus at green color triangle. Now in the green color triangle, what am I supposed to do here? I have to keep my compass at A and I have to check the D point. D point is at 4 centimeter. So what I am going to do, I will be taking 4 centimeter distance in the compass and I am going to draw the arc. So imagine somewhere here it is. Now from C point, if I check, the D point is at 3 centimeter. So I'll keep it on C and take a distance of 3 centimeter in the compass and cut the previous arc. And accordingly, I can easily get the quadrilateral done. The only thing left is nothing but to mention 5.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. That's it. That's it. It's so simple thing, isn't it? So expecting you all to complete this. That's it. Actually, I thought of taking one more exercise today. But anyway, it's okay. Tomorrow we will take the complete exercise. Tomorrow we will complete the topic itself. So tomorrow you might take video might take a lot of time. So but today it's okay. We'll stop our work here. You complete this task, this must task, which is there on the sheet, there on the board now, right now. So 5 questions you have, 1, 2, 3, 4 as from the exercise and 1 question from the example. So everything you will be completing. Now how to complete? I can just show you the example. One example I am just showing you. First example, just rough diagram I am going to draw. So I am going to construct PQRS quadrilateral. So what you have to do, anything as in terms of quadrilateral you can draw. Check which value is given. Any one value which is given, you can take it down. Like PQ is given, so I can write that, and then RS, right? And then I will go on putting the value. This is 4 centimeter, QR is 6, RS is 5, PS is 5.5 and PR is 7. That's it. Now I think it's very clear. We have two triangles as like in the previous slide. I got it, green color one and yellow color one. I can easily construct that. So I hope you all need to practice all these questions properly, as well as this question. So 5 questions you will be completing it today. Need not to send it to me. Okay, so just complete and keep it with you. Later on I'll be asking you everything. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with the complete topic. So tomorrow we are going to complete this topic. It's not a big deal, it's not a difficult task, it's very very simple. So that's the reason I'm telling you tomorrow we will surely complete this topic. So bye bye, see you tomorrow.